Humpback whale. It has long flippers and knobby heads. It lives in oceans worldwide. It sings complex songs during long migrations. Orca. It has black and white patterns. It lives in cold and temperate seas. It hunts together in smart family groups. Beluga whale. It is white with a rounded forehead. It lives in Arctic and subarctic waters. It makes many whistles and clicks. Bottlenose dolphin. It has a curved smile and sleek body. It lives in warm coastal seas. It learns tricks and uses teamwork. Atlantic bluefin tuna. It is shiny blue with powerful muscles. It lives in the open ocean. It swims far and very fast. Ocean sunfish. It has a round, flat body. It lives in warm, open seas. It basks near surface to warm up. Lionfish. It has striped fins like a lion's mane. It lives on coral reefs. It spreads fins wide to scare fish. Anglerfish. It has a glowing lure on its head. It lives in deep, dark oceans. It wiggles the light to attract prey. Hammerhead shark. It has a wide, hammer-shaped head. It lives in warm coastal waters. It scans for food with wide eyes. Whale shark. It has white spots and a huge mouth. It lives in tropical oceans. It gently filters tiny plankton. Tiger shark. It has dark stripes on its sides. It lives in tropical and subtropical seas. It explores many habitats while hunting. Nurse shark. It is brown with small barbels. It lives near reefs and sandy bottoms. It rests quietly on the seafloor. Sawfish. It has a long, saw-like snout. It lives in shallow coasts and estuaries. It swishes the saw to stir prey. Electric ray. It has a round body and smooth skin. It lives on sandy sea floors. It gives small shocks for defense. Cuttlefish. It has a soft body with a cuttle bone. It lives around reefs and seagrass. It changes colors to communicate. Giant squid. It has huge eyes and long tentacles. It lives in deep, open oceans. It grabs prey with strong suckers. Nautilus. It has a pretty spiral shell. It lives in deep tropical waters. It floats by adjusting shell chambers. Blue dragon sea slug. It is blue with wing-like frills. It lives near the ocean surface. It drifts and eats stinging jellies. Sea urchin. It has a round body with spines. It lives on rocky sea bottoms. It grazes slowly on sea plants. Sand dollar. It is flat with a star pattern. It lives buried in sandy shores. It sifts tiny food from water. Staghorn coral. It has branches like a small tree. It lives on tropical coral reefs. It builds reefs with hard skeletons. Portuguese man-o'-war. It has a purple balloon float. It lives drifting on warm oceans. It sails with wind and currents. Wandering albatross. It has very long, wide wings. It lives soaring over open seas. It glides far without flapping.